Do you want to create an attractive presentation that displays information for different items on the same image, like this presentation? You can do this easily by performing the following simple steps. Go to the Insert menu, click Picture, and then specify the path to the picture you want to add to the slide. Adjust the image size to cover the entire slide. Right-click on the image, then select the Crop option, then crop the image to select the item you want to display information about. After you finish cropping, press the Enter button on the keyboard. Go to Picture Format, and from the Picture Style section, select the bevel rectangle shape so that the corners of the picture become rounded. Now make a copy of the first slide by right-clicking on it, then selecting the Duplicate Slide option. Now, select the image on the second slide, then right-click on it, then select the Crop option, then drag the image to the second item that you want to display information about, and when finished, click the Enter button on the keyboard. Now, add the information you want to the first element on the first slide, then the second element on the second slide, then adjust the text formats and position on the slide as you wish. Now, it's time for the magic touch. Select the second slide, then go to Transitions, then select the Morph option. Now, press the F5 key on your keyboard and enjoy the professional presentation you just created. If you find that this video provided you with useful and valuable information, do not forget to like the video, then subscribe to the channel so that you can receive our new videos.